User and user groups. Welcome everyone! In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating user and user groups using the Intel EMA web interface. This step-by-step guide will explain how to add users to your tenant and how to define roles and responsibilities for these users. Step 1. Accessing users. Begin by accessing the Intel EMA web interface's home screen. Click on the user's icon in the left sidebar to proceed. Step 2. Creating a user. Within the Manage Users screen, you'll find at least one user with the username provided by you and with the role of Tenant Administrator. Click on the blue box New User on the right to add a user. A window pops up to create a new user. Enter a username. The format needs to be an email address. Provide a description. Provide a valid password and confirm the password. Select the role of the user. You have the choice between Tenant Administrator, Account Manager, Endpoint Group Creator, Endpoint Group User, Click on Save. You'll be taken back to the screen showing the different users, where your newly created user will be listed. Use the same process to create different users. Step 3. Accessing user groups. On the top of the screen, click on User Groups. By default, no user group is defined. Creating a user group. Click on the blue box New Group on the right to create a user group. A window pops up to create a new user group. Enter a group name. Provides a description. Select the access rights. Checking Select All grants the member users of this user group access to all in-band and out-of-band functionalities. If you do not want to provide access to all functionalities, select the in-band and out-of-band functionalities you want to provide access to for this user group. Click on Members. The users with the role of Endpoint Group Creator or Endpoint Group User in your tenant will be listed. Select the users you want to include into this user group. When you create a new user, you can add the user also at that moment to a user group. Click on Endpoint Groups. The endpoint groups created in your tenant will be listed. Select the endpoint groups that can be managed by the users of this user group. Click on Save. You'll be taken back to the screen showing the different user groups, where the newly created user group will be listed. At the end, review this slide, which provides more insights into the relationship between users, user groups, and endpoint groups. Congratulations! You've successfully added users and user groups. You've set up roles and responsibilities for the users. These steps are vital for effective remote management of Intel vPro PCs. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to maximize Intel EMA's capabilities. Thank you for joining us.